Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are making rice wine or 酒酿 in Chinese. I love making rice wine as it is a sweet and delicious dessert that is perfect for the summer. To make rice wine, you need two ingredients, glutinous rice and rice biscuit, which you can get at any Asian grocery store. The third ingredient is red yeast rice and is optional. I like to add it because it gives a nice pink color. Here I have soaked 2 cups of glutinous rice overnight in a pot. Next, I will drain the rice and wash the rice twice to remove any excess starch. Next, I will steam the rice to cook it. Here I'm using my wok as a steamer, but you can use any steamer equipment as well if you have one. Here I'm using a cheesecloth so that I can put the rice on the cloth to steam. I like to spread my rice into a thin and even layer so that the rice can cook evenly. I will steam the rice on medium-high heat for about 30 minutes. While the rice is steaming, we can prepare the starter for the rice wine. Here I've already pounded the wine biscuit into powder form. For 2 cups of glutinous rice, I use about 50 ml of boiled water at room temperature, to which I will add 1 wine biscuit. I will also add about 1 teaspoon of red yeast rice to give it a nice red color. Next, I will stir the solution well to ensure everything is well dissolved. Once the rice is cooked, I will put the rice into a strainer and wash it under running water. This will help to remove any excess starch and make the rice wine even sweeter. Then I will let the rice drain well. Next, we can start preparing the rice wine. Here I'm using a traditional Chinese double boiler, but you can use any container such as glass or ceramic. I will add half the rice into the container. Then I will add half the starter solution and stir well to ensure all the rice is coated with the starter. Finally, I will add the remaining rice, followed by the remaining starter solution, and give everything a good stir. I like to flatten the top of the rice wine, and I will use a chopstick to poke a hole in the middle of the rice wine. This hole will help us to determine when the rice wine has completed fermentation. Then I will store the container in a cool and dark place and leave it to ferment for a few days. After one day, this is how the rice wine looks. As you can see, some liquid has formed in the hole that we created in the rice wine. After 2 days, you can see that much more liquid has formed and that the entire rice block is able to float. This tells you that the rice wine is ready to be consumed. Once the rice wine has finished fermenting, I will keep it in the fridge to stop the fermentation and take out the amount that I want to consume. And this is how I make rice wine or 酒酿. Thank you for watching.